This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, check that your Chromebook supports Android apps and live wallpapers. Open Settings and confirm Google Play is enabled for apps. Verify Chrome OS shows version 90 or newer in About Chrome OS. If your version is older, run the update and reboot the device. Plug the Chromebook into power or ensure battery is at least 50% before installing large apps. Also enable developer features only if you understand the risks and need experimental wallpaper options. Open the Google Play Store app on your Chromebook and search for Live Wallpaper. Choose a reputable app with good reviews and tap Install to download it. Note that typical download sizes range from 5 MB to 150 MB depending on complexity. After installation, open the Live Wallpaper app once to grant permissions. Accept only required permissions, such as storage or display access for the wallpaper, to function correctly on your desktop. To apply the wallpaper, open Settings and go to Personalization, then Wallpaper. Select Live Wallpapers and pick the installed animation from the list. Tap Preview for 30 seconds to confirm visuals and performance on your display. Choose any available settings to limit frame rate to 30 FPS or reduce particle counts to save power. If battery falls below 20%, enable Battery Saver or switch to a static wallpaper. You can also remove the live wallpaper through apps or settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.